Watch out, watch out. Get out the way, get out the way. Appreciate your brother Wise for letting us do our man, our first real gathering, a real photo shoot, man, with the guys, with some friends, with some family, man, just trying to you know, push our message, man, and create unity amongst everybody, man, getting everybody different backgrounds, races, get out and enjoy the outdoors, you know, just trying to do a little something, man. So like I said, man, thanks Wise, Dave, Casey, JG, Watt, Mason, cameraman B, Jay, John. Hey man, it's the first of many, man. It's the first of many, man. We just glad for the opportunity, man.
Happy for y'all. Glad y'all can do it.
Appreciate it,
Love
man.
it. Love it. I'm behind it.
What the other hats you at, Steve?
Mason and this in the front seat over there.
Yo,
There was this girl drinking her ale, shooting bullets, getting in trouble, man. I ain't never seen something so fine.
I'm a Tide guy myself. Tide guy that went to Auburn for 4.5.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
How about
I
that?
thought you definitely were an Auburn fan.
Alabama fan that went to
I did not know that.
Auburn for 4.5 years. I got FOMO bad when it comes to that stuff. Yeah. Couldn't miss any of that.
1,300 acres though.
Yeah, just shy of it. A little over 1,200.
Get lost out here, one.
You can at night if you don't know where you're going. Yeah, you can every now and then. But no. You learn it pretty quick. It gets to be like the back of your hand. Pretty quick. I believe it. Grew up coming out here all the time. Essentially grew up out here, so you learn it.
Probably walk around with your eyes closed.
Pretty quick. Yeah, exactly. I could walk around this place with my eyes closed, literally.
I've heard another story. Somebody went next to us. I've seen them probably 30.
And you feel me? You gotta. Yes, it's a video.
Oh.
BCO, it's the new wave, man. We spreading love, man. We spreading hope. We unifying everybody, man. BCO, man. Check out the back, though. Check me out, man. Hey, shout out to the cameraman.
I'm gonna send you these pictures too.
Man. Yeah, John.
My dude.
Let's keep winning some money.
Oh yeah, we gonna shake back.
We had an off day.
Yeah, we had a very.
I enjoyed it, man. Yeah, y'all be safe getting out.
Okay,
BCO,
That's a real
classic
that's the original.
trucker caps. We got the red, the black, the royal blue, the brown and khaki. That's how we're coming. We're dropping a new colorway with this black on black. A lot of people have been asking us about it and trying to see if we were gonna get it. Well, yes, we have it, and we hope you guys really enjoy it. Let me show y'all this truck too. My boy JG. Big boy truck, man. This how we do it, man, around here. Montgomery, Alabama, Gunktown. J-Rob, talk to him, man.
I just encourage everybody in a time like this to get outside and be with the people you love, you know, and just embrace the outdoors, you know, and use the outdoors as a common ground just to, you know, get into your natural habitat. Find your niche outside. That's a challenge I give to everybody, because everybody not going to like to hunt. everybody not gonna like to fish, but you can find something that you like to do outdoors and do it with your loved ones, you know, while you can. BCO.
Hey, major love to my boy Walker Wise,
Yeah.
man. St. James guy, man. I'm a Montgomery Catholic guy, man. But it's all love, man.
I'm glad that y'all could come out and we could kind of get the first little meeting together for the Black Creek crew, and it's a good time.
This right here is exclusive Courtney's Collection BCO.
Right here, this is what you want. That
That's
one right there.
release
That's what you
date pending.
That's what you want right here. This one.
Then we got Dolph with us.
Yes, sir.
The mascot. Forever.
Black Creek Outdoors mascot.
Yes, sir.
Say what up to him.
Old Dolphy boy.
Say what up.
Dog. Just laid up in the shade, not caring.